Hey Grayson, you ready to get some sweet cards tonight? What's up, Brad? Welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor. We've got a Topps Holiday Mega Box Break, 5 mega boxes, 100 cards per box. Each box will have an autograph relic or autographed relic. So far, all I have gotten is relic cards, but I've got some dandies. Also, expect 1 or 2 variations per box. Some metallics, some good rookies. Hopefully we will get some team bags full of cards for all of you. Thank y'all for taking part tonight. For the new people, let me tell you a little bit about how I do my breaks. I do show all cards. I call all players by name. I also call out the team they play for. If the variations are not turned backwards, I may need you to keep an eagle eye out. Last night in my mixer, I missed the variation. Somebody caught it. I went back and found it, and so help me there. I'll try my best to catch it, but sometimes I don't. There you see the 1 relic auto or autograph relic per box. There will also be an ornament card in here. So actually there's 101 cards per box. All cards will ship. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top loaded. And we got 505 cards to look at, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Good luck, everyone. We will pull out the ornament card first. And let's see. It looks like the tab is intact. And it looks like New York Yankees get a Garrett Cole ornament card with the tab intact. Well, Brad, I've opened up, I think I had a 5-box break, and then I opened one up in a mixer last night. So I guess I've opened 6 mega boxes so far. And so these will be the, 6 through 11 for me. Here we go. Here's what the cards look like. They look just like the Topps cards, except for they have all the snow and the ornaments hanging down. We start off with Aaron Nola to the Phillies, our first rookie of the night. Going to the San Diego Padres, Jake Cronenworth. Here's a Luis Campusano rookie card also to the Padres. And there's one of the names everybody's after, Jonathan India, Cincinnati Reds rookie card. Here is Hunter Dozier, Kansas City, followed by a rookie. It's David Peterson to the Mets, Mookie Betts, Dodgers, Moncado to the White Sox, Lubob to the White Sox, and a Keibert Ruiz rookie, and they have him in his Washington Nationals outfit. And that's how the break starts. Got Jonathan India in the very first pack. Here is a Perdomo rookie to the Diamondbacks, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. to the Blue Jays, Kyle Hendricks, Cubs. Here's Fernando Tatis Jr. for the Padres, Marcus Stroman, Mets. Now this one is a metallic. You probably can't tell it in the picture, but the ornaments and snow, you can feel them. They're raised up a little bit, and call them a metallic, so this will be a parallel. Christian Pache, Atlanta Braves rookie card, Alex Bregman Astros, Paul DeJong Cardinals, Whit Merrifield Kansas City Royals, and Adam Wainwright to the St. Louis Cardinals. So we get Jonathan India, and now we have our first Christian Pache. I like getting these big name rookies early, and then we can get them often. All right, here's Clark Schmidt, rookie, New York Yankees. Pete Alonso Mets. Here is the relic card. And it is New York Yankees, Gleyber Torres. So the first relic card of the night and the first ornament of the night, both going to the Yankees. Bryce Harper, Phillies, Evan White, rookie Mariners, Max Fried, Braves, Gleyber Torres, Yankees, and Jesus Luzardo, Miami Marlins. Still waiting on that first variation. Rookie card, Brent Honeywell, Rays, Sixto Sanchez, rookie to the Marlins, Awahari, rookie, Texas Rangers, Joey Votto, Reds, followed by Nick Solak, Texas Rangers. This is a metallic. Michael Brantley, Astros, Andrew Benintendi, Royals, Rui to the Blue Jays, rookie card, Ryan Jeffers, Minnesota Twins, and Chris Paddock, San Diego Padres. Tariq Skubal, Detroit Tigers, rookie card, and Joe Adell, rookie card to the Angels, Jose Devers, Marlins, rookie card, Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Here is Bo Bichette, Toronto Blue Jays. And that is a variation. You see the Santa Belt. So that is a Bo Bichette variation to the Blue Jays. Here is Nathaniel Lowe, Texas Rangers. Segura to the Phillies. Minnesota Twins rookie card, Nick Gordon. And Andrew Vaughn, Chicago White Sox rookie card, Matt Olson to the Oakland Athletics. Okay, Brewers get a Devin Williams. Orioles, Trey Mancini. Next up, Jose Barrios to the Blue Jays, Carlos Correa, Astros. We have a metallic Max Kepler, Minnesota Twins. Joey Gallo in his Yankees uniform. Garrett Cole to the Yankees. Miguel Cabrera, Detroit Tigers. We got a Chris Bubic, Kansas City Royals rookie card. And Shane Bieber, Cleveland Indians. All right, Brandon Lau, Rays. Eric Hosmer, Padres. Rookie card, Arizona Diamondbacks, Andrew Young. Zach Greinke, Houston Astros. Braylon Marquez, Chicago Cubs, rookie card. The Reds get Tyler Stevenson, rookie card. And the Orioles get Ryan Mountcastle. There's a big name. Joey Bart's a pretty good one, too. Rookie to the Giants. Nelson Cruz, Rays. And Gavin Lux, Los Angeles Dodgers. If you haven't noticed, some of these guys who traded teams at the trade deadline, like Keibert Ruiz and Nelson Cruz, they are pictured in their new teams. Rookie card, Celestino to the Minnesota Twins. There's a big one. Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie, Pittsburgh Pirates. Marcus Stroman, Mets. Max Kepler, Minnesota Twins. And we have J.D. Martinez. That is a metallic Boston Red Sox. Lorenzo Cain, Brewers. Dallas Keuchel, White Sox. Andres Jimenez, Indians rookie card. Keston Hiura, Brewers. And Moustakas to the Cincinnati Reds. 2 packs to go in the first mega box. Gleyber Torres was the mem card. Bo Bichette's the first variation. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. Here is a Kim rookie, San Diego Padres. Trevor Story to the Colorado Rockies, Grayson. Next up, rookie to the Yankees, Deivi Garcia. Freddie Freeman, Braves. Here is A.J. Puck, Oakland Athletics. Nemo, Mets. Rookie, Minnesota Twins. Brent Rooker, Salvador Perez, Kansas City, and William Contreras, Atlanta Braves Rookie card, last pack. Only one variation so far, unless I have missed it. All right, we have Jazz Chisholm, Miami Marlins rookie card. Matt Chapman to the A's. Here's Dalton Varsho, Diamondbacks rookie. Mike Yastrzemski to the Giants. Next up, we have Cody Bellinger. Now, I'm thinking that's a variation. Something hanging out of the back pocket. Well, no, it's a metallic. So I knew it was in a spot. So we're going to go with just metallic. I don't know if that's a variation or not. I know we got another Cody Bellinger a while back. This is the last pack. Nope, that is not a variation. That is just a metallic. Okay, Zach Gallen Diamondbacks. Akil Baddoo, rookie card, Detroit Tigers. Kevin Kiermaier to the Rays. Mr. Mike Trout, Angels. And Patrick Wisdom, Chicago Cubs. So that's the first box. We got many of the big name rookies. No Alec Baum yet. No Dylan Carlson. I'm sure there's a few others. We still got over 400 cards to look at. Second ornament. Well, our second ornament, our second Gerrit Cole. This one does not have the tab. Sometimes I find it in the box. Oh, actually, I just found it right here between some of the packs. So let me grab that thing. Believe it or not, these will many times go right back in and stay in, as if they never came out. We now have two Gerrit Coles with the tabs for the Yankees. Okay, starting off, Justin Turner, Dodgers. Ronald Acuna Jr., Atlanta Braves. Ryan Zimmerman, Nationals. Here is a Jorge Ona, Padres rookie card. And the Rockies get, oh, Grayson, not only do we have Trevor Story, we have Trevor Story with Santa's hat on. Variation Colorado Rockies. How about that? Here's Trevor Larnach, rookie to the Twins. Shohei Ohtani, Angels. Travis Blankenhorn, Mets rookie. Next up is Marcus Semien, Blue Jays, and DJ LeMahieu to the Yankees. Wow, Trevor Story, variation. Andrew's happy about that one. I know he is. All right, we have Mitch Haniger to the Mariners, followed by John Lester in his Cardinals uniform. Kopech, White Sox. Dave Dunning, rookie card, Texas Rangers. And there is another rookie card to the Blue Jays. This one is a metallic. Pelosius. I'm not sure I'm saying his name right. But it is a metallic rookie to the Toronto Blue Jays. Rangers pick up a Sam Huff rookie. Brewers, Christian Yelich, Dodgers, rookie card. And this one is Victor Gonzalez. Javier Baez in his Mets uniform, and Spencer Howard, rookie in his Texas Rangers uniform. Those are a couple of names that were traded at the deadline. All right. Reyes, Cleveland Indians. Stanton, New York Yankees. Here's Paul Goldschmidt, Cardinals. Ian Anderson, rookie, Atlanta Braves. Brady Singer, rookie, to the Royals. Ketel Marte, Arizona Diamondbacks. Rookie, Zach McKinstry, Dodgers. Bo Bichette. And you will see now how that the one on the left has the big Santa belt compared to the regular belt. This is a Blue Jays card. Aguilar Marlins. And for the Chicago White Sox, we have Zach Birdie rookie card. All right, we have a Florial rookie to the Yanks. The Yanks having a good break tonight. Gurriel Astros, Biggio Blue Jays, Andrew McCutchen Philadelphia Phillies. Here is Christian Yelich metallic to the Milwaukee Brewers. Brandon Belt Giants. Nick Solak, Texas Rangers, J.D. Martinez to the Red Sox, Albert Pujols in his Dodgers uniform, and Byron Buxton, Minnesota Twins. I'm going a little slower. Sometimes I'm checking to make sure I'm not missing variations or the metallic. Cody Hure rookie, Chicago Cubs, Ozzie Albies, Braves, Dansby Swanson also to the Braves. There is our first Dylan Carlson rookie card to the Cardinals. Ian Happ, Chicago Cubs. For the White Sox, we have a Mercedes rookie card. And for the Cubs, we have Contreras. Rookie, Cincinnati Reds. Jose Barrera. And Jared Walsh to the Angels. Nolan Arenado, St. Louis Cardinals. Still looking for our relic or autograph out of box 2. Aaron Judge, Yankees. Shane McClanahan, Tampa Bay Rays. Jackie Bradley Jr. to the Brewers. Corey Seager, Dodgers. Here's Alex Verdugo. That is a metallic to the Boston Red Sox. Oakland Athletics, Elvis Andrus. Jared Kelenic, Mariners rookie card. Boston Red Sox get Xander Bogaerts, and the Red Sox get Bobby Dalbec rookie card. Jose Ramirez, Cleveland Indians ends that pack. Come on, Alec Baum. You're one of the names we haven't got yet. All right, Jason Hayward, Chicago Cubs. Chris Bryant, San Francisco Giants. Nick Madrigal, Cubs rookie card. And here we have Trevor Rogers, Marlins rookie card. Okay, Cody Bellinger. He's got a Santa belt on just like Bo Bichette did, so that is a Dodgers variation. Next up, Garrett Crochet, rookie White Sox, Francisco Lindor Mets. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, John Nogowski, rookie Kyle Lewis Mariners, Zach Wheeler, Philadelphia Phillies. All right, the Phillies start this pack off. Rhys Hoskins. There's Isaac Paredes, Detroit Tigers rookie. Starling Marte to the A's. Marquez, Rockies. Dodgers, that's a metallic rookie of Gonzalez. Here's George Springer, Blue Jays. Taylor Trammell, rookie Seattle Mariners. Washington Nationals get Victor Robles. And the Phillies, Brogdon rookie card and Mullins to the Baltimore Orioles. Yes, you can feel whenever, like when I'm, these cards are perfectly smooth, but you get to a metallic and you can just feel that the ornaments and stuff are raised up. You really can't see it. You kind of have to feel it. You'll know what I'm talking about, assuming your team has a metallic in there. Yeah, that other card that I thought was a variation earlier, that is not a variation. The one earlier we got a Bellinger, it was metallic. That is not the variation. His variation on this card is the belt. So that one earlier that I thought was a variation wasn't. It was just a metallic. Okay, Chris Sale, Boston Red Sox, Aaron Nola, Phillies. Here's the relic. And St. Louis Cardinals, Paul Goldschmidt. A light blue. These relics do have rookies in them. I have pulled some rookie relics. I think I pulled a Ryan Mountcastle relic the other night. This one. These two so far have not been rookies. Okay, here's Dalton Jeffries, rookie, Oakland Athletics, Dustin May, Dodgers, Gary Sanchez of the Yankees, rookie, Christian Javier, Houston, and Max Scherzer, Dodgers. Last pack of the second mega box. Jake Cronenworth, rookie to the Padres. Right behind him, Luis Campusano, rookie also to the Padres. And that leads us to our second Jonathan India rookie card. Cincinnati Reds, Hunter Dozier, Royals. Rookie card metallic, Toronto Blue Jays, Alejandro Kirk. Gio Urshela, Yankees. Randy Arozarena to the Rays. The White Sox, Tim Anderson. There is Alec Bohm, his first rookie card to the Phillies, and a David Peterson, New York Mets rookie card. 2 Jonathan Indias in 3 boxes. Looks like, unless I've missed them, we've got 1 variation per box. I do believe I've got 2 in some boxes before, but now I'm starting to question myself a little bit because last night I only got 1, and so far, no, wait, we've got 2 boxes down. We have 3, so we have gotten 2 in 1 box. Okay. All right, Toronto Blue Jays get the ornament card. Bo Bichette, tab is intact. Yeah, Brad, I'm just trying to think. I think we've got all the biggest rookies now at least once. India, we got him twice, so hopefully we'll start getting everybody a second time, then maybe a third time. All right, here's a Kim rookie to the Padres. Trevor Story, Colorado Rockies. The Yankees, Deivi Garcia rookie. Freddie Freeman, Braves. And I see Santa's hat. It's on Shane Bieber. To the Cleveland Indians, the Phillies pick up Bryce Harper. Evan White rookie, Mariners. Max Fried, Braves. Gleyber Torres, Yankees. Luzardo to the Marlins. Here's Jazz Chisholm, rookie again to the Marlins. Matt Chapman, A's. Dalton Varsho, Diamondbacks, rookie card. Mike Yastrzemski, Dodgers. And we have a metallic Salvador Perez to the Royals. The Astros get Michael Brantley. Royals, Andrew Benintendi. Blue Jays, Rui. Ryan Jeffers, rookie to the Minnesota Twins. And Chris Paddock, San Diego Padres. Justin Upton, Angels. Corbin Burns to the Brewers. And I believe it is relic card time. Houston Astros, Kyle Tucker. Nathaniel Lowe, Rangers, Segura to the Phillies. Nick Gordon, Minnesota Twins rookie. Andrew Vaughn, White Sox rookie. Matt Olson, Oakland Athletics. So we are 0 for 3 on relic rookie so far. Miguel Sano, Minnesota Twins. That's the first time I think we've got him. Blake Snell, Padres. Rookie card. Alexander Basabe to the Giants. Kyle Seager, Mariners. And we've got a Starling Marte metallic to the Oakland Athletics. Joey Gallo, Yankees. Garrett Cole, Yankees. Cabrera to the Tigers. Chris Bubic, rookie, Royals. Shane Bieber, Cleveland Indians. Jimenez, Chicago White Sox. Tristan McKenzie, rookie, Cleveland Indians. There's, I believe, our first Casey Mize rookie to the Detroit Tigers. Luis Patino, rookie, Tampa Bay Rays. Anthony Rendon, to the Angels. Tyler Stevenson, rookie, Cincinnati Reds. Ryan Mountcastle, number 2 for him, Baltimore Orioles. And another Joey Bart, rookie to the Giants. Nelson Cruz, Rays. Gavin Lux, Dodgers. So we are starting to get our second rookie of all the big rookies. Hopefully we'll get all of them and maybe start on a third. Rafael Devers, Boston Red Sox. Real Muto to the Phillies. Jesse Winker, Reds. Houston Astros, Justin Verlander. And we have a metallic, William Contreras, rookie metallic, Atlanta Braves. Lorenzo Cain, Brewers. Dallas Keuchel, White Sox. Andres Jimenez, Indians, rookie. Keston Hiura, Brew Crew, and Moustakas to the Cincinnati Reds. 4 packs ago, we just passed the halfway point. Still a lot of cards to see. Pittsburgh Pirates, Colin Moran. Nate Pearson, rookie, Blue Jays. David Peralta, Diamondbacks. The Cardinals get Jack Flannery. And we have another variation. Miguel Cabrera with Santa's belt on. I got this one the other night, or in my first break. A.J. Puck, Oakland. Nemo Mets. Brent Rooker, Minnesota Twins rookie. Salvador Perez, Kansas City. And there's the Contreras base rookie. We got the metallic in the last pack and the base rookie in the very next pack. Jacob deGrom, Mets. Dansby Swanson, Braves. Corey Kluber, Yankees. Juan Soto to the Nationals. Here is Marquez, Colorado Rockies. That is a metallic. Zach Gallen, Diamondbacks. Our second Akil Baddoo rookie, Detroit Tigers. He's pretty popular. Kevin Kiermaier, Rays. Another Mike Trout to the Angels. And Patrick Wisdom, Chicago Cubs. That's a neat looking card there. Trey Turner to the Nationals, to the Dodgers, to the Dodgers. He's always been with the Nationals. But he got traded. He's with the Dodgers. Albert Alzolay, Cubs. Jed Lowry, A's. Austin Meadows, Tampa Bay Rays. This card is turned around. Okay. I think we've already had 2 variations in this box. This one's going to make 3. And it looks like Bryce Harper is swinging Santa's bag. That is an interesting one. I wonder, since that one was turned around, I know down here some of these numbers mean something different. I have not looked up the checklist yet, but that is our 3rd variation in this box. I have not seen the one with Santa. All right, Brad says that is a SSP. And I kind of thought maybe with it being turned around it would be. So that's good news for the Philadelphia Phillies. All right. Jose Altuve, the Astros. Luis Garcia, Nationals rookie. Yadier to the Cardinals. Rizzo to the Yankees. Gurriel Jr., Toronto Blue Jays. Well, I don't know. I have to get my magnifying glass out, I guess, and I can't. I don't know. I can't read that little. I apologize. Last year, when I was doing these breaks, I would always remember to bring my magnifying glass in, but I don't have it in here with me. That say 427. You got better eyes than I do. So you all have to let me know if that is an SSP or whatever. Okay. Isbell, rookie to the Royals. Rosario, Atlanta Braves. Buehler to the Dodgers. Here is Palacios, rookie card again to the Blue Jays. Probably saying his name wrong. This feels like it's a metallic. It is. Zach Gallen, Arizona Diamondbacks. Strasburg, Nationals. David Price to the Dodgers. Yu Darvish, Padres. Here is Daz Cameron, Detroit Tigers rookie, and Charlie Blackmon to the Rockies. So 3 variations in that box, including most likely an SSP. So that's a really good one. Ornament time. Oh, yes. How about that, Angels? Shohei Ohtani ornament, tab intact. That's the first one of those I have pulled. Okay, Juan Soto Nationals, Trey Turner Dodgers, Alzolay Cubs, Lowry to the A's, Dylan Carlson rookie, and I've got to believe that's a variation because I don't think he wears that when he's playing baseball. How about our first rookie variation, St. Louis Cardinals? That's pretty cool. Low to the Rangers, Segura Phillies, Nick Gordon rookie, Minnesota Twins, Andrew Vaughn rookie, White Sox, Matt Olson, Oakland Athletics. That would be interesting if he wore that. Starting to pick up some nice cards here in this break. I just want a relic card now of a rookie. All right, here's Austin Meadows, Rays, rookie, Isbell to the Royals, Rosario Braves, Walker Buehler to the Dodgers. We have a metallic Castanera Brewers, Joey Gallo Yankees, Garrett Cole Yankees, Cabrera to the Tigers, Chris Bubic rookie, Kansas City Royals, and the Indians get Shane Bieber. All right. Pelosis rookie, Blue Jays, Verdugo to the Boston Red Sox, and here comes the relic. Chicago White Sox, Juan Moncada. Tyler Stevenson rookie, Cincinnati Reds. Another Ryan Mountcastle to the Orioles, rookie. Another Joey Bart rookie to the Giants. Nelson Cruz Rays. Gavin Lux Dodgers. So this would be the third rookie of Mountcastle and Joey Bart. They go back to back every time. Alejandro Kirk rookie, Toronto Blue Jays. Alex Kirilloff, this is our first rookie of him. He's a pretty big one, Minnesota Twins. Manny Machado, Padres. Justin Turner, Dodgers. We have a metallic rookie, Trevor Rogers to the Marlins. Lorenzo Cain, Brewers. Dallas Keuchel, White Sox. Andres Jimenez, rookie to the Indians. Castanera, Milwaukee Brewers. Mike Moustakas, Cincinnati Reds. Ronald Acuna Jr., Atlanta Braves. Ryan Zimmerman, Nationals. Jorge Ona, rookie, San Diego Padres. Mitch Haniger, Mariners. John Lester, St. Louis Cardinals. We have A.J. Puck to the A's. Nemo to the Mets. Brent Rooker, rookie to the Twins. Salvador Perez, Kansas City. William Contreras, rookie to the Braves. All right, we have a Kopech, Chicago White Sox. Dave Dunning, Texas Rangers. That's a rookie. Reyes to the Indians. Giancarlo Stanton, New York Yankees. We have a metallic Moustakas to the Reds. Zach Gallen, Arizona Diamondbacks. Another Akil Baddoo rookie card to the Tigers. Kiermaier, Rays. Mike Trout, Angels. Wisdom, Chicago Cubbies. Paul Goldschmidt, St. Louis Cardinals. Ian Anderson, rookie, Atlanta Braves. Brady Singer, rookie, Royals. Florial, rookie, to the Yankees. Joey Bart. Now this one is not where it normally is. It's not a metallic. Makes me think it's some type of variation because it's not where it's supposed to be, but if there's a variation on here. Oh, yep, Santa's belt. There it is. He's got the belt on. That's our second rookie variation. Okay, Brad, you have done some research. And I assume that's on the, Bryce Harper. But I'm not going to be able to see it. We'll have my daughter go get me a magnifying glass. Maybe we can answer this question. Jose Altuve, Astros. Luis Garcia, Nationals rookie. Yadier Molina, Cardinals. Anthony Rizzo, Yankees. Gurriel Jr., Toronto Blue Jays. I knew that Joey Bart had to be something for it to be where it was. These variations, they don't always just jump out to me. All right, so I've got you was able to tell it was a 42. So which one is that? Because all I said was 420, 426, 427, and 428. Oh, mine's a 427. Gotcha. I've got a good camera, I just have bad eyesight. Yep, 427. You are correct. So that is the rare one. Okay, Gurriel Astros, Biggio Blue Jays, McCutchen to the Phillies, Hure rookie Chicago Cubs, and we have a metallic Nick Madrigal rookie to the Cubs. Steven Strasburg Nationals, David Price Dodgers, Yu Darvish San Diego Padres, Daz Cameron Tigers rookie, and Charlie Blackmon to the Rockies. I've got my magnifying glass with me now, so yeah, I'm very happy with this break, and we still got another box to go. Ozzie Albies Braves. Here's Dylan Carlson rookie, St. Louis Cardinals. Ian Happ Cubs. Aaron Judge to the Yankees. Okay, we got another one turned around. Freddie Freeman. We have some people in the background, some Christmas characters hiding out in the fans. Is that the variation on that? $427. Freddie Freeman. So hopefully that is another rare one. It was turned backwards in the pack, and it's got 427. Now they all have candy canes on the edges. I got a feeling those cartoon characters are the variation. I'll find another Freddie Freeman here in a minute, and we will compare it. All right, Tyler Glasnow Rays. Here's Trevor Lawrence, rookie to the Twins. Another Shohei Ohtani to the Angels. Blankenhorn rookie Mets, and Marcus Semien, Toronto Blue Jays. All right, Shane McClanahan, Rays rookie card. Jackie Bradley Jr., Brewers, Corey Seager, Dodgers. Jason Hayward, Chicago Cubs. We have an A.J. Puck Metallic, Oakland Athletics. DJ LeMahieu, Yankees. Sam Huff, Rangers rookie. Christian Yelich, Brewers. We've got a Gonzalez rookie to the Dodgers. And Javier Baez to the Mets. Well, last box. This has been fun. Let's see who the ornament is. Another Bo Bichette. So we get 2 Bo Bichettes, 2 Garrett Coles, and 1 Shohei Ohtani. And all 5 of the ornament cards have the tab intact. Okay, Trevor Story, Colorado Rockies starts us off. Yankees, Deivi Garcia rookie. There's Freddie Freeman. So here we can compare, and you will see in the regular card there are no little munchkins in the background. In the variation there he is. So that's pretty cool. I would have never caught that. If I hadn't have known that card was turned around, I would have never caught that unless one of y'all would have. The L's, okay, Munchkins, L's. Yeah, I knew there was a better name than Munchkins, but okay, that's pretty cool. Here's Jazz Chisholm rookie to the Marlins. Matt Chapman A's, DJ LeMahieu Yankees, Sam Huff Rangers rookie, Yelich to the Brew Crew, Gonzalez Dodgers rookie, and Javier Baez to the Mets. Yeah, I'm pretty confident in the first break I did. I missed some variations. I'm trying to really pay attention. All right, Dalton Varsho, rookie to the Diamondbacks. Mike Yastrzemski, Giants. Justin Upton, Angels. Corbin Burns, Brewers. We have a Dylan Carlson Metallic. So we have the Dylan Carlson variation, couple of Dylan Carlson rookies, and now a Dylan Carlson Metallic rookie. Spencer Howard, Rangers rookie. Ketel Marte, Diamondbacks. Zach McKinstry, rookie to the Dodgers. Bo Bichette, Blue Jays. And Aguilar to the Marlins. Okay, Sano, Minnesota Twins. Blake Snell to the Padres. Our last relic is a rookie. Finally, Casey Mize, Detroit Tigers relic rookie card. All right, that's one of the things I was hoping for. All right, Birdie, rookie to the White Sox. Brandon Belt, Giants. Nick Solak, Rangers. J.D. Martinez, Red Sox. Albert Pujols to the Dodgers. I guess if I could have had my preference, I would have preferred 5 different ornament cards, but we got some good ones. Here's Alexander Basabe, Giants rookie. Kyle Seager, Mariners. Jimenez to the White Sox. Tristan McKenzie, rookie to the Indians. And we have a metallic Joey Bart rookie card. Byron Buxton, Twins. Mercedes, rookie to the White Sox. Contreras to the Cubs. Cincinnati Reds. Barrio, rookie. And Jared Walsh to the Angels. Casey Mize, Tigers rookie card. Luis Patino, Rays rookie card. Rendon, Angels. Rafael Devers, Red Sox. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. Here is Nolan Arenado to the Cardinals. Elvis Andrus, A's. Jared Kelenic, Mariners rookie. Bogarts to the Red Sox. And another Bobby Dalbec rookie card to the Red Sox. Winding down. 5 packs to go. JT Realmuto Phillies, Jesse Winker Reds, Justin Verlander to the Astros, Colin Moran to the Pittsburgh Pirates, Metallic Ian Happ Cubs, Jose Ramirez Indians, Garrett Crochet rookie to the White Sox, Francisco Lindor Mets. Here's a Pittsburgh Pirates Nogagowski rookie, and Kyle Lewis Seattle Mariners. Nate Pearson Blue Jays rookie, David Peralta Diamondbacks, Jack Flannery to the Cardinals, Jacob deGrom Mets, Dansby Swanson Braves. We have Zach Wheeler, Philadelphia Phillies, George Springer Blue Jays, Taylor Trammell rookie Mariners, Robles to the Nationals, and Philadelphia Phillies rookie Brogdon. All right, Brad, I will do that. I don't have my randomizer set up, but I will send your extra Garrett Cole ornament to somebody else. That's awful nice of you. Okay, Corey Kluber Yankees, Juan Soto Nationals, Trey Turner Dodgers, Alzolay to the Cubs. We've got a Nelson Cruz Metallic Tampa Bay Rays, Cedric Mullins Orioles, Dalton Jeffries A's rookie, Dustin May Dodgers, Gary Sanchez to the Yankees, Christian Javier Houston Astros rookie card. Come on, give me another variation. Give me another rare one. Jed Lowry A's, Austin Meadows Rays, Isbell rookie Royals, Rosario Atlanta Braves, Walker Buehler Dodgers, Max Scherzer also to the Dodgers, Gio Urshela Yankees, Randy Arozarena to the Rays. The White Sox get Tim Anderson, and there is, I believe, our second Alec Bohm rookie card to the Phillies. Last pack. Do a short recap afterwards. Palacios, Blue Jays rookie, Verdugo to the Red Sox, Kirk rookie to the Blue Jays, Kirilloff rookie, Minnesota Twins. All right, we have a metallic Aaron Judge Yankees, David Peterson rookie Mets, Mookie Betts Dodgers, Moncado White Sox, Lou Bob to the White Sox, Keibert Ruiz Washington Nationals rookie card. Here are some of, I guess, the regular variations. Miguel Cabrera with the belt, Shane Bieber with Santa's hat, Cody Bellinger with the belt, Bo Bichette with the belt, Trevor Story with Santa's cap. All right, we had a Freddie Freeman rare one with the L's in the background, and a rare Bryce Harper with Santa's bag of toys that he's using as a bat. We got a variation of Dylan Carlson with the scarf, and we got a Joey Bart. Was this a variation? Yeah, the Santa belt. I don't know why it's twice now. I couldn't find that. And the relic cards. Rookie Casey Mize, Juan Moncado, Kyle Tucker, Paul Goldschmidt, and Gleyber Torres. Thank y'all so much. This was fun. I've got a select basketball break coming up. A big football mixer. Those football mixer teams should be on eBay right now if you want to get into any of those. Free shipping on any teams you win the rest of the night. I will get these cards out to you tomorrow. Thank you again, and good night.